Hello, my name is Carsten Jung and I'm the founder and CEO of CJ-Optik. The factory is based in Germany. Now we are sitting in the new factory where we made it as we need more space for the microscope production. So we are since 2007 on the market and our specialty are optics and mechanics, and dental microscopes as example are our passion. We started in the beginning with creating some accessories for microscopes as beam splitter documentation systems. When we started the microscope, we was thinking to make something unique which is not on the market, what means in design and functionality. So we have some new features inside of the microscope as this monoball system. This makes the microscope flexible in all directions and also vario objective from 200 to 350 millimeters. We can connect any kind of digital cameras from APS-C up to full frame, and we can offer the power supply integrated for any kind of camera. We are getting the microscope is manufactured, made in Germany completely, and we make the distribution worldwide in over 63 countries, and yeah, I'm happy. Our philosophy as CJ-Optik is for microscopes and accessories that quality makes the difference.